Once you get to a certain point, you have to walk your bikes back here because of all the people who are walking on the trails too, so you have to be careful. But these are the campsites here. There's the bathhouse where you fill your water up. There's another water spigot. But this is an actual campground. This is crazy how beautiful this is. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to turn it off until we get to, I just don't want to turn it off. It's just so I want to have all these memories. And there's the boardwalk to the beach. There's the beach sign. So there's a boardwalk that takes you all the way to the beach. So we are here close. I guess people think we were here just for the day and we had all of this for just the day. It would be silly. But here we are, we're still heading towards our campsite. You see this is the sand dune, so our campsite backs up to the beach. And it's like this all the way around. And I think I got us the prettiest site. Here's ours. Look at the oaks. We made it. Wasn't too bad, was it? So here's our campsite. I'm going to back up so I can get a good view of it. This is our campsite. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Huh? So we have all of this space. So now we bought firewood from the boat.
Glad it's got a wreck in here.
Yeah.
Because it's wet down off in there.
So we're gonna go set up our tent and get our site set up, and then we will explore. I'm so excited. There's wild horses roaming around here and different other kinds of animals. So we'll be back soon, won't we, Deke?
Be back.
Bye.